Hey everyone, I am so excited today because I have another special guest, hairstylist Adrianna, and this awesome model. So today is a little bit different. So for anyone who is looking on the internet all day long for wedding hairstyles, wedding updos, this is going to be an amazing video for you because Adrianna has said to me, this is going to be one of the top trending updos of 2025. So if you're in New Jersey also, she's located in New Jersey, right?
Yes, I am in Toms River, New Jersey.
Toms River, yeah.
Central South-ish,
yep.
Depending on what you want to call it.
Awesome, and she'll be able to give you the information of where you can find her later, but she does amazing work. So I'm really excited to share her talent here. I'm ready to go, let's do it.
Hi guys, I'm Adrianna Scala. I own Wavy Days Hair Studio in Toms River, New Jersey. I'm here today and Steven has me, the salon guy, doing an amazing tutorial on today's and this year's really popular updos. You'll see them all over the red carpets, you'll see them at the Golden Globes and all those kinds of things, and it's definitely the #1 style that all of my brides and a lot of my New Jersey brides in general have been requesting for the 2025 season. We are going to be starting with trying to pile everything as high as possible on the top to give her that overall full look, to give her height that matches the width to her head, as well as for Lauren in particular, she's also going to be a bride in 2025. And we'll be doing something with a side part. The middle part, we love her, but the side part is coming back, and I do think it suits a very romantic bridal style, especially with today's updo.
This is absolutely gorgeous. Adrianna did such a beautiful job.
Thank you.
And what's interesting, I'm gonna have her break down what she did in a second here, but just from me, my perspective as a hairstylist, the one thing that I've noticed was, and I even commented, I said, for as much work that you put into this, it looks so natural and soft. And the next thing I said, is this gonna stay? And she goes, yes, it's gonna stay. And then she put a bobby pin on my head. She goes, yes, it's gonna stay. But I was so surprised. But honestly, as someone from New Jersey, there's a lot of people who are so talented doing wedding hair and updos and things like this, but she's so nice and so sweet. So I would highly suggest you go visit her at her space to get your hair done for a wedding or any hair service, to be honest with you. But I want to let her explain to you, especially if you are someone who's going to be getting married, because wedding hair is important.
Definitely,
right?
biggest part of the day.
Biggest part of the day, aside from the booze.
Of course, you have to have
and the I do. Then there's the prenup, what else? But all of it's a very important day, but I'm gonna let her break down kind of what she did with this hairstyle.
So for today's high bun, we did a loose tousled kind of look. We wanted to keep a little bit around her face because Lauren does have these beautiful blue eyes, and we wanted to make sure that the blonde still accentuated her face. She wanted to feel fun and playful, but also still have it up and off her neck. She does have a wedding in the late summer, so it's going to be very hot that day. And I do feel like this is the best way to kind of incorporate the pretty updo and everything, be able to see the classiness from the front, as well as having that fun party style all in the back that makes it feel different than your day-to-day bun, and so many different variations of how you can have it so tousled and how you can have it so messy but still look very purposeful. So thank you so much for watching today, and thank you, Stephen, for having me at the Salon Guy. This was a really exciting experience. If you want to contact me for hair services, you can find me at Wavy Days Hair Studio on Instagram, and you can DM me through there, or you can fill out a client consultation form and you can come and meet me.